Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Giraffe Tools Hose Reel, and before you make a choice on your next garden hose system, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research to bring you everything you need to know, and you'll find a link to the best price in the description below. In this video, we'll evaluate this premium hose reel based on price, performance, and real-world usage scenarios. Let's dive right in and get started. The Giraffe Tools Hose Reel stands out immediately with its innovative lock at any length feature, allowing you to secure the pre-installed 155-foot hybrid hose at any desired length for complete garden coverage. This retractable system is engineered for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts who demand professional-grade equipment without the hassle of traditional hose management. At $239.98, this premium hose reel positions itself in the higher end of the market, but the technical specifications justify the investment. The system features an impressive 200 psi pressure test rating with a remarkable 600 psi bursting pressure capacity, ensuring exceptional durability for years of reliable service. The 1-2-inch diameter hybrid hose combines the flexibility of rubber with the lightweight properties of vinyl, creating an all-weather abrasion-resistant solution that performs consistently across seasons. Moreover, the auto rewind system transforms the typically frustrating task of hose management into a seamless experience. With just a slight tug, the entire 155-foot hose automatically retracts, guided by an advanced system that prevents kinking and ensures neat storage every time. This feature alone saves considerable time and effort compared to manual winding systems. The included 9-pattern spray nozzle adds tremendous versatility to this package. From gentle misting for delicate flowers to powerful jet streams for cleaning driveways, each pattern serves specific purposes including car washing, pet bathing, and general cleaning tasks. The nozzle's ergonomic design and durable construction complement the premium feel of the entire system. Installation proves refreshingly straightforward with the 180-degree rotation bracket requiring only basic tools and minimal technical expertise. The quick-release system deserves special mention, allowing users to effortlessly remove the entire reel for seasonal storage or relocation. This thoughtful engineering makes it ideal for renters or those who prefer flexibility in their garden setup. Furthermore, the build quality reflects Giraffe Tools' commitment to longevity. The housing withstands UV exposure and temperature extremes, while the internal mechanisms operate smoothly even after extended use. The 4.1-star rating on Amazon, based on thousands of reviews, confirms that real-world performance matches the manufacturer's claims. Professional landscapers and serious gardeners will particularly appreciate the consistent water pressure delivery and the hose's resistance to tangling during extended use. The 155-foot reach eliminates the need for multiple hoses or constant repositioning, making it perfect for larger properties or comprehensive garden maintenance routines. However, one notable downside some users may find is the manufacturer's recommendation for installation posts larger than 4x4. This requirement could pose challenges for those with existing smaller mounting structures or limited wall space. Additionally, while the $239.98 price point reflects the quality, budget-conscious buyers might find it steep compared to basic alternatives. The 24-month warranty and lifetime customer support demonstrate Giraffe Tools' confidence in their product. Their promise to solve problems professionally provides peace of mind for such a significant garden investment. You got it. So, that's it for the best retractable hose reel on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped your decision, comment below if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.